Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a bow tie. Okay, let's start to learn how to make it. What do we need to make a bow tie? Fabrics, thread, hand sewing needle, pins, tailor chalk, scissors, ruler or tape measurement, elastic band, and sewing machine. The constructions. The actual bow size, the length is divided in two, so it's 7 plus 7 cm. To make the bow in good shape, the grain line should be parallel with this line, the fabric measurement. Now let's measure the fabric dimension. Mark the center where the bow band is and added 1 cm seam allowance in both sides here. Add 1 cm the overlapping in the center, so it seems that we add half centimeter each side. So the proper calculation is 7 plus 7 plus half and half, so it will be 15 cm for the length. And 5 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 7 cm for the width. How to make it? Prepare the fabric. Here is the straight grain line. Mark the center front. Mark for the bow's length. It will be twice of 7 cm plus 1 cm, so it will be 15 cm. And then mark the bow's width. It will be 5 plus 2 cm, so 7 cm. Do for the both sides. Mark it as rectangle. Mark the center. Cut it out the rectangle. Put the right side in the top. Fold in the center with 1 cm overlap. Pin it to make it stay still. And then ready to sew in the both sides. Stitch it with 1 cm seam allowance. Remember to do the back stitch to lock the seam. First side is ready. Now sew the other side as well. This is how the wrong side looks. Cut all the corners to make it neat when it turns inside out. Turn it inside out like this. Make it neat in every corner. This will be the back side. And this is the front side. Do the top stitching in the center. Trim unused threads. Pair a piece of additional fabric to cover the center. Ready to shape the bow. Fold it into front side together like this, and then fold the both sides the other way just like this. Secure the folded bow with hand sewing in the center. Make sure that it's tight enough to hold its shape. Lock the stitch. Prepare the band to cover the center with folding like this. Cut the leftover fabrics. Sew with hand sewing. And lock the stitch when it's finished. The bow is ready. It can be attached to the shirt or use strap or pin to wear it. In this video, I will use elastic band. Measure the elastic about the neckline size. Attach the elastic to the bow by connecting the elastic first with the hand sewing. And then attach the bow. Make sure it's tight enough to make it stay steady. Finally, the bow tie is ready to wear. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.